In this video I'm going to show you how to change the thermal compound of a GPU. It's an AMD R9 270X and I've been having problems with the fan ramping up and down. I bought this card second hand, so I don't know if it's had it changed ever in its life. It might need doing, so I'll show you how to change the thermal compound. Start by removing these 4 screws. After you've removed the screws, the card should just lift off. Cool. And there's our overheating problem. I don't know who applied that, but that's far too much. Now, clean, just with tissue paper. You really should use isopropyl alcohol, but tissue paper will do. It'll do a better job than that. Now it's clean. Shiny. And shiny. Apply your thermal compound. Teeny tiny amount, not as much as last time. That is plenty, it's not too much. I couldn't show you doing that because holding the camera is pretty difficult. Now reapply your heatsink and connect your fan. Put the screws back in. Put the screws in each corner. So put a screw in this corner, and this corner, and this corner, and this corner to apply even pressure to spread thermal compound out properly. Yeah, it needs a clean, it's a bit dusty. So, card installed, new thermal compound. Works great, we're in 29 degrees.